What if the secret to flushing out plaque, lowering your cholesterol, and keeping your arteries clear could be found right in your kitchen? Heart health is something we often ignore until it's a major problem, but protecting your arteries doesn't just happen at the doctor's office. It starts with what you put into your body every single morning. Today, we are making a powerful, science backed morning tonic that takes just 2 minutes to prepare, but can offer lifelong benefits for your cardiovascular system. Before we dive into today's life changing recipe, please remember our standard medical disclaimer. While the natural ingredients we discuss today are fantastic for heart health, HB Base does not provide medical advice. This information is for educational purposes. Always consult your doctor before starting any new health routines, especially if you are currently taking blood pressure or cholesterol medication. To understand why this drink is so incredibly effective to help unclog arteries, we first need to understand the enemy, plaque. Every single day, your body processes fats and cholesterol. While we need some cholesterol to survive, the dangerous kind, LDL cholesterol, can oxidize and stick to the walls of your blood vessels. Over time, combined with cellular waste, calcium, and fibrin, this forms a hard, thick substance called plaque. This is known as atherosclerosis. It restricts blood flow, forcing your heart to work overtime and drastically increasing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. The scariest part? It is completely silent. You won't feel your arteries clogging. Let's pause for a quick check-in. Have you recently had your blood pressure or cholesterol levels checked? Let me know in the comments below if you're actively trying to lower your numbers. We are all in this together. So how do we fight back naturally? We use a combination of 4 potent raw ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote circulation and break down lipid deposits. Let's break down the science of exactly what goes into our morning tonic. Garlic is a cardiovascular powerhouse. When you crush or chop raw garlic, it releases an active compound called allicin. Studies have shown that allicin helps lower blood pressure, prevents the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, and actually relaxes your blood vessels so blood can flow more freely. Ginger contains gingerols and shogalls, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Inflammation is the fire that causes cholesterol to stick to your arteries in the first place. By consuming ginger, you are putting out that fire. It also prevents blood platelets from clumping together, reducing the risk of clots. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, which keeps your arteries flexible and strong. Plus, the antioxidants in lemon juice prevent cholesterol from becoming sticky and toxic to your blood vessels. Apple cider vinegar. You must use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. It also helps stabilize your blood sugar, which is crucial because high blood sugar damages artery walls, giving plaque a place to stick. Now, let's put these powerhouses together. Here's exactly how to make your daily artery clearing drink. You will need 1 cup of warm water, not boiling, just warm to aid digestion, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, a small clove of garlic, finely crushed or minced, a half teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and optionally 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey to balance the taste. Here is the secret to making this work. Crush your garlic and let it sit for about 10 minutes before adding it to your cup. This 10-minute resting period is required for the allicin to fully activate. Once your garlic is ready, simply add the ginger, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar to your warm water. Stir in the honey last. You want to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach about 20 to 30 minutes before you eat breakfast. This allows your body to absorb the nutrients immediately. Now, I have to be completely honest with you. No drink is a magic cure on its own. If you drink this tonic but continue to eat highly processed, sugary, and deep-fried foods, you are fighting a losing battle. However, if you combine this powerful morning routine with a clean diet, light daily exercise like a 30-minute walk, and good hydration, you are giving your cardiovascular system the absolute best natural support possible. Consistency is key. Try drinking this tonic every morning for the next 7 to 14 days and take note of how your energy and body feel. If you found this recipe helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Health and Beauty Base for more natural remedies. And if you want to take your heart health to the next level, you have to watch this short video right here where I break down the absolute best ways to manage your cholesterol. Click on the screen right now to watch it, and I'll see you over there. Stay healthy.